Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can comment GIF on Instagram. So let us start. The new feature hasn't been officially announced by the platform yet, which suggests it could be a test feature right now. If adding GIFs in comments proves to be a success, the platform could roll it out as an official feature for all users across the world. To check if you have got this feature or not, first update your Instagram to latest version. I have already updated. Now open Instagram and go to comment section of any video. If you've got the new edition, you should see a GIF button on the right hand side of the search bar like this. All you need to do is tap the button and search a word related to the GIF you want to reply with. Scroll through the GIFs, choose the one you want to comment with and tap it. Then, it will be inserted into the comment and you can press post. I also haven't got this feature yet. If you have this feature, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.